Hello and welcome to Tech Talks. I'm joined here today by Alexandre Vasic, country leader at Freshworks. Hi, Alexandre.
Hello, Melly.
So tell us a bit about what Freshworks will have in store for VivaTech this year.
As a SaaS provider, our mission is to make business software simple yet powerful. So it's a great opportunity for us to be again at VivaTech this year. After the success of last year, we will have a booth. We will show a lot of innovation about how we are able to increase employee and customer experience with AI. We will have a lot of guests. Our CEO will be there. It will be a blast.
AI has been central to Freshworks solutions. Tell us a bit more.
It's central since many years. We have 1,000 engineers that are working on our innovation, and they are all focusing on AI. So AI is embedded in our solution by design. The name of the platform is Freddy Copilot, and Freddy is helping us to enhance the customer and the employee experience in the organization.
So tell us then about Freshworks' vision of AI and its impact on the future of work.
We have 70,000 customers in the world. Their feedback are they are able to save half an hour to 1 hour per day and per user. The main message is AI will not replace humans. It is here to help and support teams to work in a more productive way.
Wonderful. We're looking forward to it. Thank you for joining us here.
Thank you, Molly.
Join us June 11th through 14th at VivaTech, the place to be.